So welcome back, guys. Today I'll be teaching you how to duplicate yourself, how to do some stupid effects, how to make yourself double, triple, so many of them. I'll teach you how to do it today. So make sure you watch to the end. Okay, guys. So first of all, you click on the CapCut app. You click on New Project. After clicking on New Project, you select one of the footage you want. Let's go with this one. Click on Add. So once the video you posted appear on your timeline like this, you click on the overlay. You click Add Overlay. Then you take the second footage. Second footage should be click. Then move it to anywhere you want. Then you click on you see the cut out. Click on remove background. Background is being removed. You can see these are two different footage now. You can see it. Two different content pages. I want to add the third one. Still add this one. After adding this one, after adding all these ones, you click on the cut off, you remove the background. So now this background is being removed. You can see three different clips. So welcome back, guys. You can see today I'll be teaching you how to duplicate yourself. So that's how to duplicate yourself. Effects. How to make yourself double, triple. Thanks for watching.